engineering. Thereafter, I cleared my CDS exam, and from last 5-6 years, I'm posted in border areas to include both China and Pakistan border.
Wow.
And on Pakistan border, which we call LC, line of control, we are in eye-to-eye contact with the enemy. So it's little risky job, but all the more to be in this job is the love and respect we get from the people of our countrymen. And it is more than just a job. It requires sacrifice, dedication. So wish to see some of you in this job later in your life.
Yes, yes, yes. We really hope that, Major Saab, and we are always inspiring children to do a lot of things for the country, because we never realize what the country is giving us and how much we are thankful to so many things that we have. So we keep talking to children about a lot of people like you quite often. We keep giving them examples. So on that note, kids, are we ready for our performance? Yes, ready? Cool. So Major Saab is going to be the judge for today's performance. We all know that you had to give a write-up in your own words about your own country. I had clearly mentioned no copying from internet, no writing the nation's pledge. No, no, no. You have to write in your words what you feel about your country. Okay, are we ready to start? Yes. Okay, I will start today with, usually we do it in alphabetical or reverse alphabetical order. Today I will do it random, and I will first open the mic for Subhan. Subhan Natraj, are you ready for your performance today? Great. So Subhan, we are ready for you. Let us start.
India is very talented country. India's Republic Day is on 26th January. India got freedom on 15th August. India has many languages. India is famous for many spices. India has many mythologies. India has 29 states in country. India has a monument called Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal. It was the 8th wonder of world since 2007. Now it's not there. India has two lakes named Ganga and Yamuna. Many people pray there for a god. India is located in Asia continent. In India, we have many traditions and cultures. India was ruled by many kings. India has a flag named Tiranga. It has three colors named saffron, green and white. India Gate of Delhi was built to remembering the soldiers sacrificing. Thank you.
Everyone clap for Subhan. Good job, Subhan. Well done. That's really nice. Very good. Very good.
Good job, Shubhan. Very nice. Very nice.
Very nice. Very nice. Good. Okay. Pranav, are you ready to go next? Yes? Okay. I will open up your mic and you can go in next.
India is my country. I live in India. India is known by different languages, different names such as Bharat, Hindustan. India is independence on 15th August 1947. Capital of India is New Delhi. India is a beautiful country. People of my country are very hardworking. India is peaceful country. I am proud to be Indian.
Okay, that's it. All right, Pranav, good job. I'm glad you wrote these lines on your own. Very good, everybody.
Very nice, Pranav.
Thank you, sir.
Clap for Pranav. Good job. Tanishka, can you put on your video? Okay. Vihan, would you like to go in next? Vihan, would you like to go in next? Yes? Come on, Vihan. It's your turn. Awesome.
But Tanishka's video is not on yet.
That's okay. Doesn't matter. She has some problem. Once she fixes it, it will be okay. You start.
Yes. Good morning, all. My name is Vihan Saxena. Today, I will tell you and show about my country. India is my country. I love my country. Today, I will tell some facts of my country. It is the seventh largest country in the world. In north, it has Himalayas. In south, it has covered on three sides by Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, and Bay of Bengal. Our Prime Minister is Sri Narendra Modi. Our Prime Minister is Sri Ramnath Kovind. Our national animal is the Bengal tiger. Our national bird is the peacock. Our national flag is the Tiranga. And our national sport is hockey. All these things and so many more make me feel our country. Jai Hind.
Wow. Jai
Jai
Hind, Vihan.
Very
Jai
nice.
Hind. Wow. Everyone applaud Vihan for his efforts. Very well done, Vihan. Very good job. Proud of you. Very nice. Ranveer, are you ready to go next? Okay, Ranveer seems to be ready to go next. All right.
My country. My name is Ranveer Singh. Today I'm going to tell about my country. The first thing I'm going to tell about my country is I will never let it down. On 15th August 1947, we got independence. Today is 12th August, and this year Independence Day is in another 3 days. This year we will celebrate it at home. We all Indians will sing Jana Gana Mana at home this year, and I will proudly sing the national anthem. My beloved country is fighting against coronavirus. In Pune, the Serum Institute is making vaccines. Mr. Adar Poonawalla and his team is doing a lot for us. My India is famous for the Himalayas and Mount Everest. My country has many beautiful temples, from the Konark Temple in the east to the Triambakeshwar in the west, from the Golden Temple in the north to the Rameshwaram Temple in the south. I feel proud that India always defeats who attack us. I like the line from the movie Uri. घर में घुस के मारेंगे हम Indian Army हैं. My great grandfather fought with Gandhi ji for India's freedom. My grandfather has told me stories about the World War II. When I represented India in the international go-karting race, I always grab the national anthem around me, the national flag around me, and I would go receive the trophy. I am proud of my country for the Ayurvedic medicine, greenery, oceans, Swachhata Abhiyan on 11th August. We proudly inaugurated the fiber optic high-speed internet cable between Chennai and Andaman. This will help our Navy services. My country, I will always be ready for any help I can. Jai Hind.
Very nice.
Arre,
Ranveer.
wow, very nice.
Very nice.
Everyone, clap for Ranveer. Good job, Ranveer. Very nice.
Very nice, Ranveer.
Very good, very good. Okay, now we can see Ranveer. Your video had paused for a while. Okay. Jai Hind. Kids, anytime you see anyone salute, you must salute back. Okay? Right hand, Tanishka, right hand. Thank you. Anybody you see they're saluting, you must salute back. And whenever you are driving or walking or going to any place, you see policemen, you see army personnel around, do not hesitate to just salute them from your vehicle or even if you are walking by. Okay? So the last one now to perform today, Tanishka. Are you ready, Tanishka? Yeah, Tanishka is ready with a
Yes.
nice big smile. Yes, Tanishka, we are ready for you.
My country. I love my country. In my country, mostly people do farming. Because of farming, our country look green, blue water and fresh air. Our country atmosphere is really good. And in our country, there are some main people like Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Mahatma Gandhi, and Lokmanya Tilak. In our country, there is scientists who give information about chemicals, etc. For example, Louis Pasteur. And even there is astronaut in our country. They give information about space. For example, Kalpana Chawla. I like my country and I am proud of my army who stand on border to to help to success their plan, and they stand in summer, winter, rainy, even there is so rain, then also they stand there. Even there is snowfall, they stand there. I love my country and I'm thanks to God that I am born in this country. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Jai.
क्या बात है Tanishka, very nice. You made a mention of all the scientists, too much.
Very nice.
Very good. Okay, so we will give Major Saab about 5 to 10 minutes to come up with the results. Until then, kids, want to go take a water break for a few seconds? Go drink some water and come back. Take a water break if you want to. Those who have put the tiranga on your face, those who have painted your face, don't do this and take it out. Please touch some water to it and then wipe it out, okay? Don't scratch it out, it will hurt your cheeks. And wait, don't remove it right now. अभी उसको रहने दो, अभी तो result के साथ साथ वो भी होना चाहिए. Take a water break, quick, and come back. Kids, everybody back? सब लोग आ जाओ वापस. Tanishka, I love the fact that you're carrying a flag with you. One important thing that you must remember about the flag, it should never touch the floor. उसको जमीन पे मत आने देना. हमेशा hold it up high. It shouldn't fall on the floor. Hold it up high. Oh, Tanishka, I love you for constantly flying the flag over there. That's really nice.
Good Josh, Tanishka.
Okay, kids, come back. Pranav, chal parat ye. Pranav, time up. Ranveer, take care that the flag doesn't touch the floor. I know you're folding the flag. Keep it up high. Oh, you're also holding it up. Oh, fantastic. Wait. Yeah, this is a photo moment. Wait a minute. Let me click a snap. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold the flag up high, everyone. Hold your flags up high. Let me click a snap. Very nice. Awesome. Beautiful. Thank you so much, bachas. Good job. Very nice. Very nice. Take care that you wrap it up safely. Keep it up high. Okay. Major sir, we are ready. Whenever you're ready.
Okay, yeah, I'm ready. Second runner-up. On second runner-up, we have two persons, Subhan Natraj and Vihan. They are the second runner-up.
Okay. All right. So Subhan Natraj and Vihan, second runner-up. Second
Yeah.
runner-up means third position.
Yeah. Then on first runner-up is Tanishka.
So Tanishka, you're in place number 2.
First is Ranveer with 40 marks. Shall I tell the marks?
Yes, sir. Please, please. Yes. We would like to hear
Okay.
them.
I graded them out of 50.
Ah, okay.
Pranav got 37.5.
Uh-huh.
Vihan and Shubhan Natraj, they
Huh.
got 38.
Oh, that was very close. Okay.
Yeah. And Tanishka got 39.
Okay.
Ranveer got 40.
Okay, cool. Kids, clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself.
Very nice.
Clap for your friends. Clap for yourself. Clap
Good
for
to see the confidence.
I will just
They're
revise
very
the
confident
result.
boys.
I'll just
Yes,
revise
yes.
the result. Ranveer is first. Tanishka is second. Subhan and Vihan are third. And Pranav is fourth. Okay, that's the final result. Major Saab, any words of advice for children? They are our future. Any words of advice you have for them?
Yes, firstly, I'm very amazed to see the confidence of these little kids. I was half the confidence which you are having right now. And it's very important to love your country. It's very, very, very important to love your country. And there are people who are dying for your country. So pay respect to them. Whenever you get Jai Hind, Jai Hind. Whenever you get any opportunity or see, we don't realize the situations being faced by the army personals because we are living in a kind of a cocoon, sheltered from everywhere.
Yes.
But the life there is difficult on borders. It's a life and death situation every day, every moment. So best wishes for these little kids, full of josh. And thank you, ma'am. Thank you for everything. Thank you for taking care of my child like your own daughter. And
Always,
she
it
is
is
literally,
an honor for us to have your child with us. It's an honor for us. The fact that you choose us, that's an honor for us. And kids, you must really thank Major Saab, because if I'm not wrong, this would be the first army person that you are meeting in your life so close. He is here today. He is on duty almost all the times that I have known him. He is here today just to hear from you about our country. It means a lot to him. It means a lot to us. The fact that he has come here, taken time out only to see what you feel about your country. It's a very, very, very big thing. आज कौन first आया, second आया, वो तो हमारे show time का एक ज़रूरत था. But it was important that you spoke in your own words about your country. That is what mattered the most. तुम्हारे मन में जो था वो तुमने पूरा निकाल के आज हम सबको सुनाया. That was important. Now I'm going to open up the mic one by one. Major Sab, looks like you want to say something. Please go ahead.
I wanted to talk to Pranav.
Yes.
Pranav, you just lost by 0.5%, 0.5 marks, and don't be sad, right? This is not the end.
Sir.
Always keep this in mind. This is not the end, right?
Yes, sir.
It
Yes,
is just a stepping stone to your next achievement, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Tanishka wants to say something. Yes, Tanishka, I want to ask something to Major Sahab. Yes, Subhan, I'll come to you. Tanishka's screen is frozen. So, Subhan, I will open the mic to you. Subhan, do you have something that you want to ask Major Sahab?
Sir, in my first school, I was a professional military soldier. Then I thought to become a soldier, but then I interested to be a cook. Then I became a cook, chef.
Whatever you want to become, you should just dedicate your 100% into it. No job is bad, or no job is poor, or no job is less than the other job. Every job is important, right? So Subhan, you choose your own way, and it's too early to choose any. Like, you may have liking for a profession, but where you will land up is totally different depending upon the situation which you will face afterward.
Wow. What a worthy line. Yes, yes, very true, sir. Very true. Very true. Yes, Tanishka, I'll open your mic now. You're in range. Yes, ask what you wanted to ask. You can say, you can ask.
Who is Sir's child that he's so lucky he get army like Sir?
Anisha, you all are my children, right? Uh, we are on the border for you only, na? Right?
And I would like to say you thanks, Sir.
Welcome, beta.
Good job, Tanishka. Good job. Very good you say that. Yes, Pranav, you want to ask something.
Ma'am, I want to ask to sir that ma'am, one more because my charging is 1%. So anytime I will log out.
No worries, no worries. I'm recording the session. You will get to know. You have any question?
Jai
WhatsApp it
Hind,
to me.
sir.
Jai Hind, beta, Jai Hind.
Good. Any question Vihan or Ranveer has for Major Sahab? Yes, Ranveer, I'll open your mic.
I didn't wanted to ask anything. I just wanted to say one thing that, sir, in my life, for sure, I'm going to join army school for a year.
Wow.
You must. You must.
I sat in a tanker too, and they took me for a drive once.
I'm little scared. The kind of achievements which you have, I don't think I'll be your co-driver.
Sir, can you give us a suggestion on when can children get into an army school? When does that journey start? If there is any rules around it
Yes.
that you have to be of this age or you have to have these qualifications?
Yes. There are 2-3 ways. Like, there are 2-3 army institutes where the children goes. Firstly is RIMC. The topmost army school in India is Rashtriya Indian Military College, RIMC. See, admission process starts at class 6th onward.
Oh.
Same goes for, yes, and it is a very little tough to get through. From us, only one candidate gets selected from one state in a whole year. Yes, it is little difficult, but RIMC teaches you like you will be winner for life. That is for sure. Secondly, Sainik schools. Sainik school is again, there are two kind of entries. First is class 6th entry and class 9th entry. Second is class 9th entry. Third is SPI, Services Preparatory Institute, which is like class 9th onwards. You get your child there, and these all are boarding schools. None of them is like day scholar kind of school. You have to stay there. You will be grilled, everything, and discipline will be taught to you. the most important aspect is discipline. And from there onward, you go to NDA, you join, thereafter you join IMA, and you become army officer. So it's a long process.
Wow. So if they go through regular schooling and not through any of these army schools, can they still take part in any NDA course
Yes.
in future?
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Uh, 12th onward, just after you finish your 12th, you can give examination for NDA, National Defense Academy,
Oh, wow.
and you get selected there. There is one more entry called TES, Technical Entry Scheme, which is for class 12th graduates. They are basically selected for technical arms, and they are given BTech degree. They are given BTech degree along with the training itself.
Okay.
So this is the entrance into NDA
Process.
after class 12th. Yes.
Okay.
After class 12th. After graduation, you come through, if you are a technical graduate, then you have US or TGC entry. And if you are a plain graduate, then you clear CDS, Combined Defense Services. So there are options to get into army, lots and lots of options to get into army.
Amazing.
Yes.
Amazing. Yes, Subhan, you want to ask something? Yes, I'm glad you kids have questions. Yes. Yes, Subhan.
National anthem together.
Sure. Major Saab, he is suggesting that we all sing the national anthem together.
Okay, then I need to stand up.
Yes, we'll all stand up.
Okay.
I will just play it here for us so all of us are in sync. Just give me a moment. I'll just play it here for us. Give me a moment, Subhan. Wonderful suggestion. One moment, Subhan, let me just play it for us so we all can sing it in sync. Because of the network, at times it becomes difficult. I will just share our screen and all of us can sing it together. Children, move your chairs, stand up. When you sing the national anthem, all of you know that you should be standing up. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Subhan, for making that suggestion. That's really very thoughtful. Ranveer, you were having some question. What was that?
Yes, ma'am. I just wanted to say, sir, that I have gone to National Defense Academy in a future.
Okay, wow.
Oh,
Where did you
okay.
go?
That's nice.
2018.
Arey, wow, very nice. What did you see there?
We were seeing those rifles, those bombs, and all those things.
Arey, wow. Did you like it?
And, yeah, it was cool. Thrilling.
Thrilling, na?
Good, good.
Did you try your hands at firing?
So we are not allowed to do that over there.
Good. Kids,
Sir,
any other questions for Major Sahab? Subhan, yes, you're saying something. Okay, Subhan, you're having a poor network. We can't hear you. Sorry, Subhan, we can't hear you. Your network is really breaking up.
I have done paragliding with army soldiers.
Subhan, we couldn't understand what you said. Could you just repeat it, baby?
With army soldiers.
Yes, Ranveer, what do you think he said?
And he's saying I've shook hands with the army.
Oh, you've shaken hands with an army person in the past. Oh, that's amazing.
Oh, very
Did you
nice.
feel the strength
yeah.
come through? Oh no, Subhan is saying no, that's not what he said. He said something else. So sorry, Subhan. It's all blame it on the network. We can't understand what you're telling us. Just try repeating one last time. Oh, he's going to write it down and show it to us on the screen. Okay, yeah. So Major Sir, that's one trick we do once in a while, because if we can't understand what we are saying, we write it down and
That's a way. It's a nice way.
okay. All right. So Subhan, we are just going to wait for that information from you, and with that we'll be closing the class, children. Okay, we'll be closing the class with that. So, Subhan, we are waiting for you. Oh, you've written so fast. Awesome. Okay. Don't worry about the spelling, Subhan. We will figure it out. Tanishka wants to say something in the meanwhile. Okay, yes, Tanishka. Ranveer, we are writing and showing that I have shaken hands with an army person. Subhan, you're saying I have done paragliding with army. Oh my God.
Oh, very nice, Swan. Very nice.
Oh, we couldn't have caught that word, Subhan. Definitely. हमने सोचा भी नहीं था कि तुमने ये किया होगा. But awesome. Yes, Tanishka, you wanted to say something. All right. Okay, kids. Our routine, we must do that. All of us stand up and salute Major Saab. Everybody stand up. Stand up. Salute Major Saab.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Everyone, one line of thank you to Major Saab. Everybody, one line of thank you to Major Saab. Everyone. One line of thank you, sir. Ranveer, Vihan.
You, sir.
Thank you, Vita. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you very much, Major Saab. आज आपने time निकाला और हमारे इस event के लिए आए. Thank you very much. Means a lot. Independence Day is just around the corner, so I couldn't think of a better person than you to come for the event. So thank you so much.
I'm honored too.
Everything is online, so we had to make the best with whatever we had.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This event we do every week with us, where we give you a topic and they have to prepare for that topic on their own. So they cannot just
Okay.
copy it from somewhere and do something. So it brings out the talent in children, and that we are seeing through each week. So that's what.
Yes, very, very nice. Matlab, good to see their vocabulary and everything was very nice. Yes, Tanishka.
My father's brother is also army. He stands on Lucknow boundary.
Arey wow, very nice. Sainik School, Lucknow.
Yes.
Okay, very nice.
Cool. Sahi hai, Tanishka. Very nice.
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ranjit.
sir, I wanted to tell that once I was going in a school bus, I was so excited to see those army that I put the hand out of my bus and he shook hands with me.
Oh, but it's a little risky, huh, Ranveer?
Out of a moving vehicle. It's not very safe.
Ma'am, my charging is low.
But you're here now, Pranav. Ab tum yahan ho.
Yes.
Cool, good. Sahi. Okay. Dhanyawad, Major.
Okay,
sir.
ma'am.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very
Once
much.
again, thanks to you and your entire team of Indian Army for doing everything for us. Always indebted to the Army, always indebted to the defense. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Good job, kids. Everyone. Very, very, very well done, each of you. हर किसी ने जो अपने हिसाब से सोचा वो आज बताया, and I'm so truly impressed with each one of you. कि मैं क्या बोलूं? If I was there, I would have hugged and kissed it tight. But we can't do that.
Are you ready for exercise?
Close this class today. Show time का class खत्म. Get ready for your PT class now. Sir is already